Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to apply for Robinhood Debit card. So let's quickly dive into it. So one of the quickest way for you to be able to apply for Robinhood Debit card, which is also the cash card, is to open the Robinhood app and log into your account. And after that, make sure you have a Robinhood cash spending account set up on your account. Then go to the cash tab or tap the card icon. Then from there, tap get debit card or apply for cash card. Choose a card design from the available option. Then enter or confirm your shipping address. Review the details and tap submit to apply. Then wait for the card to arrive by email, which usually takes about 5 to 10 business days, depends on your geographical location. So when it arrives, open the card, go to the cash card section, then tap activate card. Follow the prompt to set up your PIN and finish the activation. And that's how you can easily apply for Robinhood Debit card. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.